This is a great recipe for low-fat, gluten-free blueberry cobbler. So here are your ingredients. You're going to need blueberries, lemon juice, brown rice flour mix, not brown rice flour, the juice from 1 lemon, and coconut sugar. We're going to combine these ingredients, stir it, and set it aside. You can use fresh or frozen blueberries for this recipe. Then these are our topping ingredients you'll want to get together. Again, it's brown rice flour mix, not brown rice flour. And then we're going to start by combining the brown rice flour mix, the baking powder, and the salt. Stir that together. And then you'll need your mixer to cream the butter and the coconut sugar. You can substitute brown sugar if you don't have coconut sugar. Once that's creamed, add your egg. You might want to stop and clean your beaters, as well as the sides of the bowl, and then cream it again. Once you have that combined, you're going to stir in your flour mix that you just mixed, and you want to stir it just until the flour is incorporated. Then you want to spray either 4 ramekins or an 8x8 or a 9x9 inch baking pan. We're going to divide the blueberries among your ramekins or your pan. Be sure to add all the juice. Try to get the juice evenly divided if you're using individual baking pans. And then you're going to divide your topping. I like to leave space in the center so that I can see when the center is bubbling. And then I place, especially individual baking pans, I place them on foil in case they overflow. That goes into a 350 oven. For the individual ramekins, you want to bake about 15 to 22 minutes depending on the size. And for the 8x8 to 9x9 inch pan, you want to bake about 20 to 25 minutes. Just watch for when the center starts to bubble. And I hope you enjoy this low-fat, super easy dessert recipe for you and your family. And please remember to hit subscribe for more great recipes.